What's up guys, this is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Toolbox Kit on a John Deere Z735M. Now on this attachment, very easy install but very handy to have here, as we're going to have a toolbox mounted right here back behind our rear seat to where we can keep on board any tools and such that we may want, but very quick, very simple install. So I'm going to set that toolbox out of the way and we're going to start here with our bracket. Now whenever you open this kit and you see the amount of hardware that it comes with, you're going to think, oh shoot, that's a lot, what's going on? But stay with me, very, very easy here. We have two holes here on each side. One that's going to be in our knuckle of our ROP system here, which will be this small hole here, and then one just right below our ROP system right here, and this is where our hardware is going to mount on either side. So I'll go ahead and get those things put in place, and then we'll go back and tighten everything down. So we're going to start here with one of our longer bolts here. Now this is going to be the one that goes through our ROPS, or our rollover protection system, and it's also going to go through the bottom hole of our bracket here. Now this is going to mount out this way to make sure to get that toolbox out and away from your seat. So the first thing that we need to do is get one of these bolts and get three of these washers in place, as these are going to sit right here on this hole in between that and our bracket. So we'll start our longer bolt through and then start that through our ROPS. Get that to come through on the back side, and then we're just going to start one of our nuts on the outside here. Then we'll actually move over here to the other side and do the same thing. All right, and then we'll get another one of our nuts started here. Then we're going to take one of our smaller bolts here and go up. This is going to go into that small hole on the ROPS. Just like that. Now we'll go ahead and grab our 13mm wrench and 13mm socket with our impact driver or ratchet and go ahead and tighten these down. Now lastly, just to mount our toolbox, and as you'll see on the bottom here, we do have a couple of holes. So we will open this up, get it lined up on our bracket, and we are going to be looking at this hole and this one here to line up. Now if you'd like to, you can also offset this. You can offset it to the side or to this side if you prefer to reach around the seat to get into that toolbox. Either way, you've got multiple positions here that you can align this, but we're going to go ahead and put it right here in the middle. So we're going to take one of our smaller bolts here and one washer and go ahead and start that down through. Same thing with our other one. And we're going to start this nut on the bottom side of each of these. Then we'll go ahead and take our wrench and our 13mm socket and driver here. Now we want to be careful because the toolbox is plastic. We don't want to go too hard and crack it. Just make sure and get this snug just until you feel it's solid. And just like that, you've got a fully functional toolbox right here on the back of your Z700 series mower. Now this can also be locked. So, you know, if you're going around, you're mowing, maybe you're carrying your wallet, your keys, phone, whatever those things may be, you can make sure to go ahead and lock that up. That way, in case this jiggles around and moves around, which it shouldn't much because it's pretty hard mount, if that does happen to fly open, at least if you have a lock on it, that will not happen. And also just to keep thieves out in general. But guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in one of these kits, it's going to be part number BUC10751. So make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.